Welcome to a short video demonstration of a multi-level area access control with the use of Smart QR secure ID cards. 4 copies of Smart QR ID cards will be used to demonstrate the different area access privileges of each card holder by scanning the Smart QR codes, which for secure ID purposes offers the highest reliability and dependability at the lowest cost compared to RFID inlays and NFC chips. In this demonstration, there will be 4 areas of different control access levels. Entry into each would be through gates that open or remain closed, represented by lights turning on or remaining dark. When the smart QR codes with their IDs are scanned at the main gate, all 4 ID holders will not only have their identities verified with the help of the photos of the scanned IDs properly matching the pictures on the ID images stored in the secure database, but will also activate the main gate's light, representing an open gate. 3 of the ID holders can enter through Gate 2. Only 2 ID holders are allowed to enter through Gate 3, and only 1 ID holder can enter through Gate 4. Legitimate ID holders who are not allowed to enter an area will still have their IDs authenticated and their identities verified, but a bold red message saying "No access" will be displayed across their displayed digital ID images. Of course, any counterfeit ID will immediately fail verification and will therefore not open any gate. Each of the 4 gates will have its own PC, running its own appropriate authenticating web page, and a USB-connected 2D barcode scanner. Each of the colored and numbered electrical bulbs represent a gate. When a Smart QR ID is authenticated at a particular gate and the light bulb turns on, that means the ID holder is allowed access through that gate. Conversely, an authenticated Smart QR ID that does not turn on a light bulb means no entry for the ID holder through that gate. A real-world electrical device represented by the light bulb could be a gate lock, or a gate boom bar, or a pedestrian turnstile. The USB 2D barcode scanner connected to the authenticating PC at each gate supports hands-free operation, which means that the Smart QR code, momentarily placed under its laser beam, will quickly and authentically be scanned or read. For this demo, since all 4 Smart QR ID holders have access to the main gate, only 2 will be scanned to demonstrate how the IDs not only get authenticated and verified, but the light number 1 is also activated by both ID holders, confirming their allowed access through the main gate or Gate 1. At Gate 2, the Smart QR ID of holder 1 is still authenticated and her identity verified, but no prior access was granted to her to enter Area 2 through Gate 2. Hence, a bold red message across the digital image of her ID states "No access." Still at Gate 2, the Smart QR ID of holder 2 is successfully authenticated and her identity verified, and her prior access privilege granted her turned on light number 2, representing the activation of a real-world electrical device at Gate number 2. Now at Gate 3, the Smart QR ID of holder 2 successfully authenticates with identity verified, but no access was granted her to Area 3. Hence, the bold red message of "No access" and also the light number 3 remaining dark. However, the next scan of holder 3's Smart QR ID not only authenticates her ID and verifies her identity, but also turns on light number 3 which means a real-world device at gate 3 activates or opens, allowing holder 3 to enter. Over at gate 4, the smart QR ID of holder 3 successfully authenticates and with identity properly verified, but no access was granted her to get through gate 4. Hence the bold red message of no access across the digital image of her ID, and light number 4 also remains dark. The following scan of holder 4's smart QR ID successfully authenticates and verifies, and also turns on light number 4 to mean gate 4 opens, allowing entry for holder 4. So only holder 4 has access to all 4 gates. Holder 3 has access to gates 1, 2, and 3. Holder 2 has access to gates 1 and 2, while holder 1 only has access through gate 1 or the main gate.